I'm a Senior Vice President at Mahindra Satyam. I am responsible for banking, financial services, insurance, healthcare and life sciences, manufacturing, retail, travel, logistics, and the BPO business for the Americas. Mahindra Satyam is a global service provider which operates at the intersection where information technology, business process outsourcing, communications, and infrastructure outsourcing meet. We believe that's the space where magic happens, and that's where we are focused on. I'm seeing a common business problem across verticals. So in my role, I really look at multiple verticals and customers all over America. And one thing that's coming out very clearly is customers are really worrying on how to make their customer experience better when they deal with them. They're struggling with the fact that their businesses are siloed and they're finding it very difficult to cross-sell, upsell the range of products and services they have. So many times their worry is they're leaving a tremendous amount of business on the table. Right? And what Pega and Mahindra Satyam are now doing together is basically helping them solve this business problem. And from our perspective, we have deep domain expertise. We understand the customer's business pain points very well. So we're developing solutions which sit on top of the Pega foundation, which really helps solve these problems. And that's what is exciting. But I would like to share the experience, what Mahindra Satyam and Pega have done together. And this pertains to a global Fortune 10 major who had multiple warranty systems. And they also had a big business problem because this was, affecting their relationship with their customers and dealers in terms of the experience they were delivering to them. And so there was a technology challenge, there was a business challenge, there were costs involved, and so this was a unique opportunity. And when we looked at it jointly together, we realized that we could come up with a solution that can really help them solve all of this. And when this project is ultimately implemented, it will save $20 million in terms of reducing their warranty costs. It will improve their dealer and their customer experience and make them more agile, more efficient, and help them beat their competition in the marketplace. All partnerships are based on trust, ultimately. And since 2003, I think our organizations have both understood each other extremely well. But the most important change that I'm seeing in Pega over the last few years is a very high orientation from a partner perspective. There's a lot of investment that's been made from Pega's side. Our teams are not just working with me. When I say me, they deal with our leaders across verticals, our teams across verticals. And so there's a lot of synergy that I'm seeing in the way we are coming together. So it was always a great partnership. It's just becoming better because of the investments that Pega is making into these relationships now.